Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming the Apple ID and that iCloud Contacts is enabled. This ensures the server holds your data. Sign in at iCloud. Calm or open settings on your iPhone and tap your name, then iCloud. Once done, check for recent backups and stable internet because a partial sync will complicate recovery. Make sure you note which device last had the complete list. That helps decide whether to restore from iCloud, a device backup, or export a vCard for manual import. You now attempt direct recovery. Toggle contacts off and back on to trigger a fresh sync. This often pulls missing entries from iCloud. If that fails, go to iCloud. Calm, open account settings and choose Restore Contacts to retrieve archived versions. Pick a date before the loss because archives overwrite current contacts. If you prefer local control, export a vCard from iCloud or use Finder/iTunes to restore a device backup. This restores the exact contact's state and avoids manual re-entry when done carefully. You finish by confirming the restored list across devices so everything stays consistent. Look for duplicates and merge them in the Contacts app or on iCloud. Calm. If items remain missing, sign out and back into iCloud or test a different device to force a full sync. As a troubleshooting tip, export the current state as a vCard before making further changes so you can revert. If account-level problems persist, contacting Apple support with your Apple ID and timestamps of when contacts were lost is the next reliable step.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.